Okay, now, listen. Madesa. Okay, they can't visit Mama and Tata.
Are you okay? My husband loves me so much. I
know that.
Okay.
And it's a 10 years in the move. But then that's it.
But again, I never say me. Can you be dead to them? Musomero, never was up. Never come out. Never was out. Never was out. Can't you never want to go?
Listen to me. I will not you.
No promising I'm a child will leave Monday, Tuesday. Can't you never want to go?
Sorry, I was a good way. To social media, see what was up. Okay, to get those of us at the please.
But I can't.
I'm begging you. 1 minute. I was about hello. One of them is in Jimmy way. I'm begging you. I'm on my knees. Please help me. 1 minute. What happened in my room? I was at Mazan Deva. Please, 1 minute only. Yes. Just to say hello to the parents. Okay. But she came up. Hello. Okay. Yes.
I used to love you so much. It was there. It is now.
Just say hello to my parents. Please. 1 minute. Please. 1 minute only. I'm begging you.
1 minute?
1 minute.
Are you sure 1 minute?
I'm more than sure.
Who was a
mama and tata?
Are you sure?
1 minute.
1 minute?
Yes.
Okay, next time.
Please. Okay.
Omanye ngeri watusalamu olina ekibota ya kaleega. Tolina kyamakulu takati nakyo ovaamu. tuli bategeevu obwamala yabanze kankubira byonna byokola nabikola dda mbimanyi byose buli sitepu gyotambulaleko mbagitegeera mbamanyogena kolaki manyogena kuzaako ki kati tolina kyokola nga sikikolangako saagala otusiriwaza saagala otusiriwalirako obwo bwamalayabo kati otuli balima musima tozaala kumbe ne balambasajja otusiriwaza musima yadde eno ena basajja bakuwuuba bakuwuube ko talina mugazaala gonna gonna amagye gonna gonna gagwawo mulamu konna kampi kekati tamwekondo jijjamu bakulaba obumpi jijjamu kalabe ate kakwe kati njagala ombuli stao jijjamu mbulira obawo
gweyongesa omumanyi Are you okay? You having a problem? Chichi. Gweyongesa omumanyi gwetabukira omumanyi
kakubeeranga zinendiga ezabula
Honey, Wanjani. It's okay, my love. Kati kwe. Nkuloni is a food winner. To stop tampering with my home. Oyo mukyala wange buli kimu kyalina kyake. Otegera bw'aba asuze bweru kitegeeza asuzeyo on my conditions. Otegera saagala oyingirire amaka gataligawo. Otegera ddayo omufumbo gw'ofumbe. Actually, sirabana kyokola wano. Tambula ofume. Go pack everything otabulove amaka gange gwo.
naye mukimanyi nti abasajja basinga wano muli baloge
Nana waboli omuloge.
tutegeera
Nekambere nga sitegeera ndi maka gange mwe sitegeerera. Tambula ofume.
genda kuddamu kunyegako
Toddamu kunyega ate todda wange. Toddamu.
Kadira kyomala emizimu kimanyisobola kakanya osire mu miziina zikulega obulago otakubukakanyamu kimanyi nakuyimidde kayimba nakuyiriza kayimba bakakoweka ati kwa luzungu sikolagana na luzungu naye kuluwo nikikosa tati
What's wrong with you? Okoze ki? Okiyiriza. Nsaba obeereko newokoma. Kati omulundi omulala gugenda okuwuuninga gwo ogenda kubeera ova mumaka buno otambula ogende without me even asking your sister. Otegera ogenda gakwata ogafulume nga tatolina kyolina. I want you to know your limits. Otegera gwatasoma gwatira gwayingirira amaka g'abanno ate kati oyingirira na bufumo bwa mukulu wo. Are you stupid? What? Tukole wetu. I want you to know your limits. My everything, my champion, my gifts, how are you? Uncle Pussy, my accent, my coconut, my everything. My shanty. Shut.
I love you. And I will forever love you. Oh, when you're yes, I thought you were shaking the dash for me.